Welcome to the world of the Ferris 300S Zero-Turn Mower, where power meets efficiency. Engineered with the Briggs Stratton PXi Series gasoline power plant, it delivers a solid 23 horsepower, making lawn maintenance a breeze. Featuring 724cc displacement and twin cylinders, you're promised a smooth, powerful operation. Its electric PTOs and starter offer easy operation, and with a 3-gallon gas tank, your productivity is our priority. But the Ferris 300S is not just about efficiency, it's about experiencing an exceptional blend of power, precision, and performance. And where can you find this marvel of engineering? At the Homesteader store in Wisconsin. We invite you to visit us to see and feel the difference the Ferris 300S can make to your life. Come to the Homesteader store today. With the Ferris 300S, excellence meets endurance. Lawn care will never be the same again. Remember, the Homesteader store, equipping you for a life well lived. Online at orangeequipment.com.